Hello, welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. So today in this video I would like to talk about Bitmain, their IPO, and why I think it's a 800-pound gorilla of Bitcoin in mining industry, and why I am buying Canaan and EBang on dips. Okay, so I'm not advising to buy these stocks, but that's what I am doing on dips. So let's look into those things before getting to the other details. So again, I'm not your financial advisor. Please talk to your financial advisor before buying any of the stocks. Please click the like button and subscribe at the bottom of the video. So Bitcoin mining is money printing industry. They have very high margins. So look at the stocks Mara, RIOT, and BTBT. So I have been covering this for months, and I have been buying this in huge quantity. And I haven't bought recently. I have been selling puts in these because they have gone up so much. But I have like thousands of these stocks. So Bitcoin pricing will I think touch close to 30K soon, and probably will zoom to 50K by 2021 year end. So let's look into what are these mining hardware companies. So Canaan, EBang, Bitmain, MicroBt all are from China. Bitmain just 5 years old company, probably worth $40 billion, and they found north of the founder is worth more than um, founder is worth more than $5 billion and one of the richest in China and planning to go to public soon. There are risks in investing these, but worth the returns. Canon trying to catch up with Bitmain with their latest miner release. I have been buying Canon and eBang on dips. Volume is going up crazy in recently. So keep an eye and see, research yourself and see if you like. So let me get into the some of the articles. So this is my crypto portfolio. I track, as you can see here, Hive, Mara, RIOT, and also Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and Bitcoin price, Ethereum price. And if you look at it, my most of the investments are in RIOT, Mara, Hive, and BTBT, Bit Digital. So recently I have been investing into Diginex, which is the infrastructure play, but recently also I've been buying Canon and EBang on dips. So these stocks have been going, might go up, but the thing is, they have been trading with high volume, but they have been selling off end of the day. So you have to be really careful in buying peaks and losing money. So watch out for dips and buy on dips. So why am I buying? Why I'm not buying Bitmain? Because Bitmain is not a public company yet. So they will go public sometime this year, next year, or 2022. Until then, you don't have any option of buying Bitmain. So you can only buy these two companies at this point. So with the trend going on with these companies, I'm expecting this company also blow up soon, but I might be wrong. So let's look into news. Okay, Marathon patent relies on purchasing 70,000. Okay, not 70,000 ASIC miners from Bitmain. Okay, this is Bitmain. So this is BTBT. Bit Digital completed the acquisition of 13,000 worth of 14 million dollars worth of Bitcoin miners. Okay, so these companies are spending millions and millions. RIOT blockchain purchased additional 15,000. This is also recent news last week. Additional 15,000. Okay, 15,000 miners with hash rate capacity, expanding 2021. So this is just the beginning, guys. Okay, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Okay, there are a lot more Bitcoin mining companies are coming up because there's so much demand for Bitcoin, but there is not enough production. So the only way to produce more Bitcoins is by buying these mining machines and expanding mining. So these are the three, four companies, top companies in Bitcoin mining, and then on top of it, you will see a lot of other Bitcoin mining companies. And just like 2000.com, if somebody says Bitcoin mining, their stock price is going to go up crazy. So I have to be really careful in buying stocks that really makes sense. Okay, so This is all Bitmain. All the three articles I showed you, all about Bitmain. So if you look at briefly, I'm not going to go into any of this in detail. Founded in 2013, Beijing-based Bitmain technology remains at the center of crypto economy. With the flagship Ant miner, these are all these companies, they bought Ant miners. Bitcoin mining equipment still dominating the hardware market, and its mining pools accounting for about a quarter of Bitcoin network computing power. It retains uniquely the powerful place in the ecosystem and by far the largest cryptocurrency and blockchain project. So there are issues, there are fights between the founders. I think the founders have settled cases right now. But the thing is, the Bitmain will go into public soon. Okay. So Canaan and EBAN, they went a while back public, but they have been losing money heavily. So as the mining companies make more money, these guys will increase prices. So that's how they are going to make profits. But right now they are trying to grow like crazy. So this is EBAN company. So company overview, ASIC technologies pioneer blockchain operations in China. Again, Canaan. So Canaan released with recent their miner Alchip K510, and they say it consumes only 3 watts. So the most important thing in Bitcoin mining is power consumption and hash rate. The lower the power it takes, the cost of mining goes down. So this is what it is. Canon Technology second generation Alchip K510 cache 3 tops and consumes only 3 watts. So this is recent, guys, like this month of this year. So this is what they released, and they have not got orders or selling heavily. We have to follow up and see what's going to happen with this miner. Okay, so again, this article, EBON can becoming a Qualcomm of mining hardware industry. I'm not going to get into any details. I will include these articles, but do your own research. Okay, crypto mining giant Bitmain is going public with $42 billion valuation. So imagine a 5-year company going with a $50 billion valuation and the founder worth $5 billion. That's what happening in Bitcoin mining. Okay, so mining pools, if you don't know basics of crypto mining, so go through and then simple these videos, you'll understand how these companies mine and make Bitcoins. Okay, this is how ant miner looks. I think this is one of the cheapest ant miner coming up, but these miners cost thousands of dollars, and when these companies buys thousands of these machines, so it is like they're spending 10 to 30 million dollars on each purchase. Okay, top Bitcoin mining firms Bitmain, EBAN, and Canaan are shifting focus to the development of AI chips. So this is another article saying how they are switching to AI powered chips to reduce the power and increase the hash rate and maintaining them. So this is article talking about Bitmain and MicroBt battle for top positions. Yeah, that is true. So Bitmain and MicroBt are in top positions. Canaan and EBAN are actually still trying to come up. EBAN gets their revenue, lot of revenue from patents, and then Canaan is trying to get the best hardware, best miner, competing with Bitmain and MicroBt. But these two are leading. So you can think of, if both of them go to public, they might lose the market. And then they might not survive. But I think before even they go to public, there is because of the momentum, I think these prices will go, and we have to see. But right now, I'm not buying heavily. I'm buying both Canon and EBAN when they are pricing dips. Okay, behind ASIC 3 trends in driving Bitcoin mining innovation. So again, I'm not going to details of the article, but what this article is saying is the Bitcoin mining is fringy, and then these companies are trying to go and invent next version of chips and Bitcoin mining, and it will be very interesting to see. So the most important thing I would like to point out is this Bitcoin mining is very profitable. Okay, so if you look at this one, this is Forbes article. I'm not making it up. Okay, So at 0.04 kilowatt hours, miners based in China said that the break-even cost to mine Bitcoin hovers around 5,000 to 6,000. Even individual miners running commercial mining equipment like Antminer S9, which I think few $1,000s, operating at break-even cost of 8,200. Okay, so the reason why a lot of companies last 2 years don't want to mine because Bitcoin pricing was not trading about $10,000-15,000. Okay, so that's the reason why most of the shops closed. Now Bitcoin trading around $20,000, as you can see here, they can print money. The recent article shows some of these mining companies have 60 to 70% margins. None of the industries have that kind of margin. Okay, so if they can break even at 8,000, even a Bitcoin price falls to $10,000, still this guy is going to make a lot of money. Okay, so this is about Bitcoin mining, and this is about Bitcoin mining hardware companies. Please look into them, research into them, see if you are interested. Hopefully you liked my video, and please click the like button, and see you on my next video. Thank you.